What's up guys, welcome to a new video today. Just slapped on stage 2. Actually, I've been riding around for a while. I broke it in already, blah blah blah. But today we're testing the top speed. But we're going to the spot where I like doing speed tests. Got a speed app, Red Dog. The fastest I've seen the red go-kart go, I'm pretty sure is 52 to like, it was either 51 or 52. Fastest I ever seen it be. So try to beat that in the 212. This makes around the same horsepower. This makes 13. Riley's big block makes 13. This is small block 212 versus his 390. Anyway, we're gonna go over the specs real quick. The specs are, this is just a stock roller frame from GoPowersports, no engine. So it has a 60-tooth sprocket, and I am very, very confident that's a 60-tooth sprocket. 30 series torque converter off Amazon. I'm pretty sure my belt is cooked. That looks really thin. Stage 2 from GoPowersports. Cold air intake and stock carb with a jet, a 38 jet in it. We are at the spot, guys. Start. Last time I was going down this road, I got stock, or just stage 1, I got 31 miles an hour. Let's see what speed we got right there. I was flying. 58! Woo! 58 has got an e-bike. Oh, brother, 58? That's crazy. 58? I'm almost going 60 miles an hour on a stage 2 212. Bro. Woo! Real time. 17, 18. No cars ever, so I'm pretty safe on it. As you see, other people are riding on it. Hey, there's a ditch there. Stop. 58 is crazy. I wanna get a tack for this. Not a speed tack, but a rev RPM meter. 58. 58 is crazy. This thing went 30. Down this hill, it went 31. So downhill went 31. It went 58. What is this breather for? Warning. Oh, gas. Oh, okay. Don't want to be in that. I think that was all it had because I was pinning it down this hill. And I don't know how close I was to the corner before I let off. Audi. I could win in a race against an Audi. Totally. Also, to prove that there's no cars out here, that was the only car I seen. That Audi. And I've been out here for like 20 minutes. I mean, I see some gravel right there. Might want to do some victory donuts. That thing, I smell it. My belt is burning. Oh, I love this thing! Oh! 50 dang miles an hour, guys. Well, once again, guys, I forgot to record an outro. If you guys were thinking of getting a stage 2, you guys got to get a stage 2. If you already have stage 1, maybe you bypass the governor. I wouldn't recommend that without getting a flywheel. But you got to get a stage 2. The new cam it comes with, and it's just, the whole ordeal is just so good. It like doubles your power, more than doubles your power, and almost doubles your speed. Sorry for stuttering a lot. In my case, with my sprocket setup and everything, it almost doubled my speed. I went from 30 miles an hour to 58. That's crazy, but thank you guys so much for watching this video. Like, subscribe, comment if you want me to keep doing this content, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye-bye.